Have you ever dreamed of sailing away with your partner and exchanging vows on the open sea? Getting married on a boat is one of the most unique and romantic ways to celebrate your love. Whether you want a small and intimate ceremony on a sailboat or a lavish and glamorous reception on a yacht, there is a boat wedding option for every style and budget. However, planning a boat wedding is not as simple as booking a traditional venue. There are many factors to consider, such as the type and size of the boat, the weather and safety conditions, the vendors and crew, and the backup plan. In this video, we will guide you through everything you need to know about getting married on a boat, from how to plan it to where to do it. We will also share some amazing boat wedding ideas that will inspire you to create your own nautical affair. Planning a boat wedding requires some extra attention and preparation compared to a land-based wedding. Here are some practical tips and advice on how to plan your perfect boat wedding. Choose the type and size of the boat that suits your vision by a storm, a wave, or a mechanical failure. You should always check the weather forecast and the marine traffic before you decide to go on board. You should also make sure that the boat is well maintained and equipped with all the necessary safety equipment, such as life jackets, fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and radios. You should also have a qualified captain and crew who know how to handle any emergency situations. You and your guests should also follow the safety rules and instructions given by the boat staff. Find the right vendors and crew who can work on a boat. Not all wedding vendors and crew are experienced or willing to work on a boat. You should look for vendors and crew who have done boat weddings before and who can adapt to the challenges and limitations of working on water. For example, you may need to find a caterer who can prepare food in a small kitchen, a florist who can use artificial or sturdy flowers that won't wilt in the sun or wind, a photographer who can capture the movement and lighting of the boat, and a DJ or band who can use portable and waterproof sound equipment. You should also communicate with your vendors and crew about the logistics and details of your boat wedding, such as the boarding time, the docking location, the loading and unloading process, and the contingency plan. Create a backup plan in case something goes wrong. Even if you plan everything carefully, there is always a chance that something unexpected may happen on your boat wedding day. For example, the weather may turn bad, the boat may break down, or some of your guests may get seasick or miss the departure. You should always have a backup plan in case you need to cancel, postpone, or relocate your boat wedding. You should also have a backup venue on land that can accommodate your wedding if necessary. You should also inform your guests about your backup plan and how to contact you in case of an emergency. You should also have wedding insurance that covers boat weddings and any potential losses or damages. Getting married on a boat gives you the opportunity to create a unique and memorable wedding that reflects your personality and style. Here are some creative and inspiring ideas for your boat wedding. Choose a theme that matches your boat and location. One of the easiest ways to make your boat wedding stand out is to choose a theme that matches your boat and location. For example, if you are getting married on a sailboat in Hawaii, you can go for a tropical or nautical theme with bright colors, floral prints, leis, and shells. If you are getting married on a riverboat in New Orleans, you can go for a jazz or Mardi Gras theme with purple, green, and gold colors, beads, masks, and feathers. If you are getting married on a yacht in New York, you can go for a glam or Gatsby theme with black, white, and gold colors, pearls, sequins, and champagne. Decorate your boat with simple and elegant elements. Decorating your boat can be tricky because you have limited space and resources. You also have to consider the wind and water conditions that may affect your decor. You should avoid using anything that is too heavy, fragile, or flammable on your boat. You should also avoid using anything that may fly away or fall into the water. Instead, you should use simple and elegant elements that can enhance the beauty of your boat without overpowering it. For example, you can use lanterns, garlands, ribbons, balloons, or flags to add some color and charm to your boat. You can also use candles, fairy lights, or starry lights to create a romantic and cozy atmosphere on your boat. You can also use flowers, succulents, or potted plants to add some freshness and greenery to your boat. You can also use personal touches, such as photos, signs, or monograms to make your boat more personal and meaningful. Dress according to your boat and theme. Your boat wedding attire should match your boat and theme, as well as the weather and water conditions. You should avoid wearing anything that is too long, heavy, or uncomfortable on your boat. You should also avoid wearing anything that may get wet, dirty, or wrinkled on your boat. Instead, you should wear something that is light, airy, and easy to move in on your boat. For example, you can wear a short or tea-length dress, a jumpsuit, or a romper for a casual and fun boat wedding. You can also wear a flowy or lace dress, a suit, or a tuxedo for a formal and elegant boat wedding. You can also accessorize your boat wedding attire with hats, sunglasses, scarves, or jewelry that match your boat and theme. Entertain your guests with music and games. Music and games are essential for keeping your guests entertained and happy on your boat wedding. You should choose music that matches your boat and theme, as well as the mood and vibe of your boat wedding. You can also play some live music by hiring a band or a singer who can perform on your boat. You can also play some games that are fun and easy to do on your boat, such as trivia, bingo, karaoke, charades, or scavenger hunt. You can also offer some prizes or favors for the winners of the games. Serve food and drinks that are suitable for a boat wedding. Food and drinks are important for satisfying your guests' appetites and thirsts on your boat wedding. You should serve food and drinks that are suitable for a boat wedding, such as finger foods, sandwiches, salads, fruits, cheese boards, cupcakes, cookies, or candy bars. You should avoid serving food and drinks that are messy, greasy, spicy, or hard to eat on your boat. You should also avoid serving food and drinks that may cause seasickness or allergies on your boat. You should also provide enough water and non-alcoholic beverages for your guests on your boat. You should also serve some alcoholic beverages that match your boat and theme, such as champagne, wine, beer, rum, or cocktails. You can also serve some specialty drinks that have nautical or sailing names, such as Sea Breeze, Blue Lagoon, Dark and Stormy, or Sailor's Delight. However, getting married on a boat also requires some careful planning and preparation to ensure that everything goes smoothly and safely. You should choose the type and size of the boat that fits your vision and guest count, check the weather and safety conditions before setting sail, find the right vendors and crew who can work on a boat, and create a backup plan in case something goes wrong. You should also decorate your boat with simple and elegant elements, dress according to your boat and theme, entertain your guests with music and games, and serve food and drinks that are suitable for a boat wedding. It will be an adventure that you and your guests will never forget. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the world of luxury. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We have more exciting and fascinating videos coming your way soon. Until then, stay tuned and stay luxurious.